first, we're going to be determining if the clownfish, also known as an amphiprionidae, is a living or non-living being. Before we get into it, here's some basic knowledge about them. Clownfish are saltwater creatures that come in a variety of colors, but their most well-known color combo consists of orange body with 3 white stripes lined in black. To first determine if a clownfish is living, we need to ask ourselves, does this orange fish contain cells? And the answer is yes. Clownfish are multicellular organisms that are in the domain called eukarya, which means that their cells contain membrane-bound organelles. Another way we can determine that clownfish are living beings is how they have adapted to their environment that they live in. The species has formed such more prominent and rounded caudal fins, which help the fish swim significantly faster to escape predators. Also, they have become resistant to the stings of anemone that they thrive in by having their whole body covered in mucus to avoid the stings. Lastly, clownfish reproduce. They lay eggs on coral and rock near anemones in which they live in. The male clownfish builds the nest to ensure safety for the new eggs. Reproduction is just a small part of the many ways that clownfish are living critters, along with their DNA, growth and development, ability to produce energy and respond to their environment, maintain homeostasis, and have internal organization, proves that clownfish are in fact living beings.
Hi, I'm Julie Paul, and I'm going to be showing you the simple characteristics of a non-living object with a ukulele. First off, I'm going to be giving you knowledge on a ukulele. It has 4 strings or chords, which are G, C, E, and A. The ukulele is a very popular instrument in Hawaiian music and also means jumping please in Hawaiian, although no one calls it that. The ukulele is considered a stirring guitar, as many start off with the ukulele before learning how to play guitar. And now that you know some basic knowledge, let's get into how it's non-living. One big characteristic is the ukulele cannot reproduce. The ukulele is a man-made object, therefore it cannot recreate more ukuleles by itself. Another one is the ukulele has no form of adaptation. Put a ukulele in a hot or cold environment, it'll stay how it is. It cannot adapt to the environment like a living object can. The ukulele does not obtain and use energy. For example, the sun is a form of energy for a plant. The ukulele also cannot grow. Once it's built to a certain height, it cannot grow into a bigger ukulele. Other characteristics that make it non-living is it does not have cells, nor does it have any form of DNA. In conclusion, from clear evidence, a ukulele is not a living object.